Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. My name is Herbie, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to become a Twitch affiliate really fast. So, we're going to be fast tracking the Twitch affiliate program. Go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that this information can get out to more people. You can also hit the share button, and that will help out other people who are trying to get affiliated and not able to do so. Now, for those that don't know, the Twitch affiliate program allows you to monetize your broadcast and stream. The ways that you can do that is with paid subscriptions, bits, advertisement revenue, and game sales. The requirements are straightforward. You need to get 50 followers. You will stream for 8 hours or 500 minutes. You will stream on 7 different days. Now those have to be unique days, so it will be every 24 hours. Don't try to stop a stream 7 times in one day. It won't work. It has to be 7 unique days. Then you need to have an average of 3 viewers. Most recommend having 3 viewers per stream. All 4 requirements must be met over 30 days. However, for those people who are not able to meet those requirements, there are 2 ways that you can get ahead of this and be able to achieve it. The first option is called Bands in Town. So Bands in Town is a music website that allows users to receive notification about tours and bands that are playing in the area. So what you want to do is create a Bands in Town for Artist account. So you must achieve 2,000 trackers. In case you don't have 2,000 trackers, I'm going to put a link in the description that provides best practices that you need to follow to boost your fan base. After that, you're going to go to your artist profile and add a link to your Twitch channel. Then once your profile is updated, you're going to go ahead and fill out the form and wait about 2 to 5 days to process that. Very easy, straightforward process. You don't have to meet the other 4 requirements, but you can try to do that to make sure that your account is active, just in case if it doesn't pan out. The next option is SoundCloud. SoundCloud is an online audio distribution platform and music sharing website. With SoundCloud, you're going to sign up for a creator account. With that creator account, you're going to sign up to use SoundCloud Pro, SoundCloud Premiere, or Repost. Just make sure that your SoundCloud username and your Twitch username are the same. After that, go and add a link to your Twitch channel on your SoundCloud profile and fill out the form. Then SoundCloud will send this form to Twitch so that you can get affiliated. Go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that this information can get out to more people. You can also hit the share button, and that will help out other people who are trying to get affiliated and not able to do so. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to help you out. Thank you. Have a great day.